Welcome to the SlideShow Digital Signage App tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through creating a screen layout with two content zones, setting up multi-display support, and configuring screen rotation. Before creating the layout, we need to prepare the content for each zone. In the SlideShow web interface, open the File Manager. Create two folders named Left and Right. Then upload different images to each folder from your computer using drag and drop. Next, right-click the left folder, select Create New Content from here, and save the new content. Repeat the same process for the right folder. There's no need to change any other settings yet. Now, open the Screen Layout menu and click Add New Layout. First, enter a name for the layout. Then double-click the main zone and adjust its width. You can also configure transitions, background color, borders, and more from this dialog. Next, add a second zone and drag it to fill the remaining screen space. You can adjust its settings the same way as for the first zone, and then save the layout. To assign content to a zone, double-click the zone, click Playlist Schedule for Zone, and change the schedule to one of the playlists you prepared earlier. Repeat the process for the second zone as well. Once both zones are configured, click Activate to test the layout. For this demonstration, we'll adjust the content duration of each playlist so that the changes are visible more quickly. If you need to make any adjustments to the zones, simply edit the layout in your browser. Screen layouts can also include overlapping zones with transparent or semi-transparent backgrounds, allowing you to create more advanced designs. When a layout is active, any changes are applied immediately after saving. To choose which layout is displayed when the app starts, open Screen Layout and select Screen Layout Schedule. Update the schedule, save your changes, and reload the app. The selected layout will then be used automatically. If you're using an Android device with multiple displays or multiple HDMI outputs, you can enable the Allow Multi-Display option in device settings. After reloading the app, SlideShow will detect all connected displays, as shown on the About Device page, allowing you to move zones between displays. This makes it possible for each display to show completely different and independent content. The content on each display can be rotated independently by changing the rotation angle in the screen layout configuration. You can choose from 0, 90, 180, or 270 degrees. Alternatively, on supported devices, you can rotate the entire Android user interface by changing the screen orientation setting and reloading the app. However, this option is not supported on all devices. For example, Android TV devices typically do not support it. SlideShow is free for both personal and commercial use. To learn more or download the app, visit slideshow.digital. Thank you for watching.